Hello, everybody. Again, this is Hussam Aish with another film with old friend. Go ahead and call me because I want to show you something, please.
Okay, all right, I'll call you.
This customer came like what a good of way before Corona virus hit us, right?
Yes.
Like almost 4 or 5 years.
Oh, I thought you meant call you. I'm calling
And he
you.
called me. This is what I call him. In fact, I don't know what's his name. So this is what I.
Oh, okay.
I'll show you. You rental manager. You was second rental
okay.
manager.
Perfect.
Until now, I don't know what's your name. What's your name?
Jeff,
Jeff. I'm gonna change it.
save me.
Yes, sir. I will later, not in front of you guys. So he's here today for a white GE fridge. Let's
Yes.
move this thing here to the right. Let's move it to the right. Okay.
Yes.
And
Oh, yeah.
yeah, you said that's the one. See,
Left hand,
clean.
yes, perfect.
Let me ask you: do you want this way opening of the door or the other way?
That is exactly what I want.
Wonderful, wonderful. Ready to go, clean.
Oh, perfectly clean.
Why I put this? Because I keep the doors a little cracked because for
it'll
the
get that
air.
stinky.
Exactly.
smell,
Yeah.
There, oh, that's perfect.
Yes, sir. Clean, ready to go.
I am ready.
You said you wanna get it tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna plug it in for you.
Okay.
So when you come tomorrow, don't pay me if it is not cold.
No. But if you plug it in now, I'll know.
Yes. Oh, okay. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay. Give me this. The cable. Okay, right behind you, fellas.
It is a magnet.
Yes, right behind you.
I thought it wasn't.
Very good.
Which way? This way. This way.
Ah!
Check it, please.
Okay. Yes, it's
Wonderful.
pouring right away. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
It looks beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
did you know about back 5 years ago? I forgot to ask you
I
this.
think that you advertised something on maybe Craigslist. I'm not sure.
Oh yes, I
It's
was
been a
doing.
long time.
Yes, I was doing Craigslist, but
Yes.
one of the guys advised me about. This is for you, Facebook guys. Advised me about Facebook, and when I put the ad on Facebook, it's like a revolutionary. You know, once I posted, 10 of the people. Hey,
Yeah.
do you still have it? Do you still? Yeah, and I stopped doing Craigslist. What do you do?
I make
buy-
signs. I have a sign company in
All right.
Murfreesboro.
Which
Yes.
one? Don't tell
It's
me the
called
name.
Ace. Ace Sign Company. It's right over by Slick Pig Barbecue.
Is it on Mercury?
Yeah, no, it's on Main Street, right by Slick Pig Barbecue.
Oh man,
Yeah,
I
it's
know, I know that.
Yeah,
place.
it's
Yes,
a little
yes,
bit. I
yes,
do all kinds of signs
Wonderful.
and print T-shirts. Yeah,
Wonderful.
Yes.
I might need you one day.
you know how to get me.
Yes, yes. Yeah, rental manager.
Yes,
not anymore.
sir.
Not anymore. Jeff.
Yes, Jeff.
Rental manager
That's
too.
me.
Yeah. It's a plus to me. So I'll wait a phone call from you tomorrow, and we'll go from there.
Sounds good to me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
coming.
Sam.
Thanks a lot.
I
Appreciate it.
really
Thank you
appreciate
guys for watching. Thank you. Wait for another episode. Thank you. Bye bye.